If you've been trying to figure out how to make money online and you're tired of wasting time, getting scammed, or making pennies for hours of work, this video is going to save you years of pain and tens of thousands of dollars. Because I'm going to walk you through the best ways to make money online in 2025. And we're going to do it with a tier list. From trash to top tier, I'm breaking it all down. And look, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm going to tell you the truth like I would to a close friend. Now, if you're wondering why you should listen to me, that's fair. My name is Fred, and I come from a low middle class family. But that gave me the drive I needed to build a business that's made me upwards of $2,600 a day. And most of it is profit, by the way. So I do know a thing or two about making money online. Let's start at the very bottom of the barrel. This is the D tier. These are the methods you should avoid like the plague. Because they're not just bad, they're also dangerous. They waste your time, they damage your reputation, and in some cases, they can even get you into legal trouble. First up is something called MLMs. This stands for multi-level marketing. If you've ever had a friend or family member message you out of nowhere, trying to sell you makeup, supplements, or some kind of weird shake powder, that's usually what we call an MLM. The idea is you buy into the business and then make money by getting other people to join under you. And then they get people under them. It's shaped like a pyramid. That's why they're often called pyramid schemes. The problem is, they don't actually sell anything valuable. Almost nobody makes money. In fact, 99 out of 100 people lose money. So the only way you earn is by convincing others to join. And even then, it's a losing game. It's not a business, it's a trick, so stay the hell away from it. Next in D tier is spamming people in their DMs or flooding comment sections with, "I can help you make more money," or "message me for a collab." Now this stuff makes you look desperate. People just don't take it seriously. You're not building a real business, you're just annoying people. And when you do this, even if you had something good to offer, no one would care because they already see you as a spam. So it kills your reputation fast. You're burning trust before you even get started. And then there's the low quality AI prompt packs. Now let's be real. Anyone can copy some prompts from the internet, throw them into a document and sell it for $10. But the problem is that the people buying them are expecting value and they're not getting any. It's all free stuff that's just being repackaged. So what happens? They feel ripped off. So they leave bad reviews. They warn others. And just like that, your name is trash in the market. This stuff isn't lazy. It's short-sighted. It doesn't build anything that lasts. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots speed up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Alright, now let's move up one level, C tier. These are methods that technically work. You can make money, but the money is tiny, like pennies per hour tiny. Or they require a crazy amount of effort for very little reward. Let's start with survey sites and GPT platforms. GPT stands for Get Paid To. You've probably seen ads that say get paid to take surveys or make money answering questions online. What they don't tell you is that you will spend an hour clicking through boring questions and earn about 50 cents. That's not even enough to buy a candy bar nowadays. It's mind-numbing work and you can't scale it. You can't do more of it and suddenly make more money. Travel, retire the people you love, pay off debts. No, it never happens. It just doesn't go anywhere. Then there's traditional dropshipping. This is where you find the cheap products on websites like AliExpress, create an online store, and sell those products to other people. Now that sounds good, right? You don't need to hold inventory. But here's the problem. The products take forever to ship. They're often low quality, and customers get frustrated. When people complain, you have to handle all of it. Returns, refunds, angry emails, and on top of that, you're running ads to get sales, which means you're spending money every day. And so if your ads don't work, you lose a lot. And if your supplier messes up, you lose even more. And even when things go right, the profits are tiny, 5 to 20% maximum if you're lucky. So it's a headache factory. Now, selling stock photos and videos is also in this tier. The idea is you upload your photos or video clips to websites, and every time someone downloads them, you get a little payment, like a royalty. But the problem is the market is super crowded. There are already millions of files, videos, pictures online. Most of them come from professionals with expensive cameras and editing softwares and years of experience. So unless you're really good, and you know exactly what kind of content is in high demand right now, and it's not very supplied, it's hard to stand out. You will spend hours shooting and editing just to make a few dollars per month. So honestly, it is not worth your time. Now let's move into beats here. These are better. They actually work. People do make real money with these, but they all come with limits. Maybe they don't scale easily. Maybe they depend on time or skill, or maybe they take a while before you see results. First up is YouTube automation. This is where you run YouTube channels without showing your face. So you hire a script writer, a voice actor, and an editor, and they make videos for you. You upload these videos and grow the channel and earn ad revenue. It sounds great because it sounds like it's passive once you set it up. But the truth is, it takes a lot of money to start, or a lot of time if you do everything yourself. And there's a luck factor as well. You can't predict how well a video is going to do in advance. You'll need to pay for those scripts and edits, and it might take dozens if not hundreds of videos before your channel grows. Some people spend thousands before they make anything back. It's a long-term game, not a quick win. Next is trading and investing. That means things like buying and selling crypto or stocks. Now, can you make money doing this? Yes. But if you're just starting and don't know what you're doing, it's extremely risky. You can lose everything fast. It's like trying to win a game you don't know the rules of. If you've got spare money and you want to learn slowly, well, that's great. But don't expect it to replace your income unless you treat it seriously and learn for months or even years. Then we have UGC, which stands for user-generated content. This is when you make videos or photos for brands to use in their ads. You're not posting them on your own page, you're making them for companies. It's a great side hustle if you like being on camera and know how to make content that feels real and natural. Brands love this stuff, but it's still trading time for money. You get paid when you make a video. If you stop making videos, the money stops. It's not passive, but honestly, it can be solid. Now let's talk about 8 here. These are real business models. They work well, they scale with effort, and they can bring in long-term income. You're not stuck doing the same thing every day for a few bucks. First up is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote products you didn't create, and every time someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. The best part about affiliate marketing is when you combine it with content. Let's say you have a blog, or a YouTube channel, or a TikTok account. You talk about the stuff you love or use, and then you recommend a product. If people trust you, they click the link, buy the product, and you get paid. Do this right, and you can build a system that runs 24/7, even while you sleep. Then there's niche e-commerce. This means you don't just sell random stuff, you pick a specific type of product for a specific group of people. For example, shirts for dog lovers or mugs with funny quotes for teachers. You can use print on demand, which means you don't even need to hold an inventory. When someone orders, the item gets printed and shipped automatically. Now the best part about this is that you're building a brand. You can actually charge more because people actually want your product, not just any product. And if you market it well, you can scale it really big and sell your company later. Freelancing is also in this tier. If you've got a skill, this is the fastest way to get paid online. Writing, designing, editing, coding, voiceovers, there's always someone looking for help. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or by reaching out to businesses directly. The startup cost is almost nothing. You just need a laptop and some skill. The money can be great, and over time, you can even turn it into an agency or sell packages instead of hours. It's flexible and it really works. It can get you to $4,000 to $5,000 a month, but getting past that is almost impossible. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots feed up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Finally, let's talk about the top of the mountain, S tier. These are the methods that don't just make money. They build wealth, they give you leverage. They're the business models that can actually change your life. First is high-ticket coaching or consulting. This is where you take what you know and you help others get results. You're not selling a product, you're solving a problem. If someone has a big problem and you can help them fix it, they will pay you good money for that, like $2,000 or $5,000 kind of money. And because your costs are low, most of that is profit. The best part about this is that one client can be worth more than what other businesses make in a whole month. Then there's building a personal brand based on your knowledge, your voice, and your story. Now, you don't need to be famous, you just need to be helpful. Share what you know, be honest, show people your journey. Over time, people will start to trust you. And when they trust you, they won't buy from you. This works on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, email, any platform really. Once you've built that trust, you can then sell products like coaching, courses, digital products, or anything else. It's one of the most powerful ways to make money online because it grows with you and it compounds over time. And finally, we have done for you services with productized offers. This is where you take a skill like running ads, building websites, writing emails, and you turn it into a package. Instead of saying, I charge $50 per hour, you say, I help businesses get more leads with a full email system for $2,000. You're not selling your time, you're selling a result, and that gives you leverage. You can hire others to help. You can work with more clients, you can grow fast. It's a real business. And it's one of the smartest ways to scale online income. So here's the truth. Most people fail online because they waste time on D-tier and C-tier stuff. They chase easy-looking, shiny things. But the money and freedom you want, it comes from A-tier and S-tier models. Pick one, stick with it, not for just a day or two, for months. Learn the skills, get better, solve problems, help people. That's how you win and you make millions doing this. It's as simple as that. Now, if you're serious about becoming financially free this year, click the link in the description because I've made a video where I explain how I've been able to make more than $1,000 a day in profit. And right now, we're also offering free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you come up with a custom game plan to help you reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And soon, we'll probably take that video down. So click on the link in the description below, book your call, and with that said, I'll see you on the other side.